Located halfway between Richmond and Washington, D.C., Spotsylvania County is in many ways a tale of two counties. On one hand, the Route 3 and Route 1 corridors are full of retail and restaurants and ever-expanding residential development. But as you go deeper into the county, it becomes more rural, especially south of the county courthouse. That's where William Bisco's family has been raising cattle at Glen Burnie Farm since the mid-1800s.
It's an excellent way of life. I've got two small children, and I want to raise them on the farm. But I've also got a wonderful wife that's got a job in town to help bring everything together. And what I'm doing it for now is I want my children to have the opportunity to farm if they want to.
The Bisco family works approximately 1,200 acres in southern Spotsylvania County. They started out as dairy farmers, but now raise beef cattle and grain. With 338 farms on 41,674 acres, Spotsylvania County farmers have a combined farm income of about $9,011,000 each year. Most farms are between 10 and 49 acres, and land for agriculture has become more scarce.
I don't think there's any way agriculture will get any bigger in Spotsylvania County due to growth and development. If people either got money to put into it from some other business, or it's been passed down through generations in the family.
Robert and Jan Massey have one of those multi-generational families that have been farming in Spotsylvania. Their land off Courthouse Road in the southern part of the county has belonged to the Massey family since 1760. The couple are the seventh generation of farmers to work the land. They've also been impacted by the increased traffic.
It can be pretty dangerous. They just fly right around you.
Much of the development in the southern end of the county has centered around Lake Anna. It's pretty country, and both the Masseys and the Biscos are serious about environmental stewardship to keep it that way.
To make sure that we're doing things in an environmentally pleasing way and safe for the cattle, for consumers of our cattle, for the environment. All our creeks are fenced off. We use rotational grazing, which means cattle are on the grass for 3 days and then get moved, and it's helped with the health of the cattle.
Spotsylvania County agriculture is relatively split between crop and livestock production. Farmers earn $4,642,000 in overall livestock sales each year, almost all from the sale of cattle and calves. In terms of crops, $2,438,000 in farm income came from grains, while $565,000 was from fruits and $528,000 from vegetables. Nurseries, greenhouses, and floriculture came in at $408,000. Brandi Harris helps raise cattle on her parents' farm near Lake Anna. Growing up on a farm helped her see firsthand everything agriculture has to offer.
Yeah, I was pretty set from when I was young, but I knew I wanted to do something in agriculture, but I wasn't for sure what. I know I was set on going to Virginia Tech with their great agriculture programs they have there.
Her father, Sam Harris, sees getting new generations involved in agriculture key to balancing agriculture's future in the county with development and the traffic that comes with it.
One of the biggest problems we have, because I live on Lake Anna and we have a lot of subdivisions around here, which that brings in a whole lot more traffic on rural roads, which hardly are wide enough for two cars to pass.
Agritourism is one sector of the Spotsylvania agricultural community seeing some growth. Ann Heidig and her family operate Lake Anna Winery.
What farmers are finding is that in order to make a living wage, if you will, they have to expand beyond just the standard products. So you see a lot of vegetable stands, farmers markets, people that sell their things at their farm, offer tours, corn mazes, pumpkin patches, and that kind of thing, all to help to increase their income from the agricultural scene.
Spotsylvania County farmers and producers are working to keep agriculture an important part of their community. They know that development won't stop, and neither will they. Finding the right balance will be key to their survival and a better community for everyone. In Spotsylvania County, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.